Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Sheldon at A&R Supply again with another video. This is a video I've needed to make for quite a long time and I'm doing it now. This is a fill valve or a float valve that you find on Prochem Truckmounts. They've been using it for a long time. It's a great valve, very reliable, very durable, but a problem that most Prochem owners have at one point or another is that their water box overfills. They usually have a stream of water that's shooting out of the black cap on the Prochem water box. It's a common complaint, and it's kind of hard for me to explain sometimes on the phone how to correct that problem, so I'm making this video now so hopefully we can help some of you guys out. The valve is obviously, it's brand new and it's out of the box. Usually I do this with the valve still installed in the box while it's in the van. It's a lot harder to do it that way, but it is possible. But you can take the valve all the way out if you need to, because room is at a premium in those boxes when you're trying to take this valve apart. It's very simple. You just need an Allen head wrench for one side of the valve, and then you put a wrench on the other side of this bolt that's holding the valve together. And again, it's much easier out here than it is in the van. But you take out the bolt. Oops. I'll just let the nut drop right there. And don't lose those. And then what you'll see here is this whole assembly will pull out. The float arm will pull off, and then the piston will come right out of the body of the float valve. So all you do here is you get a little pick, or here I have a very small screwdriver, and be careful not to poke your hand because it hurts really bad. But you just work this float seat off, and I will put the part number of this float seat in the description of the video. So those of you watching on YouTube will be able to order it. We sell these in our web store at www.arsupplyco.com. So basically you just peel the float seat off, and it's just a black rubber seat, and this is what actually makes contact inside of the valve that shuts the water flow off. And this is usually wore out. That's generally what's causing your water box overfill problem. So you don't always have to replace the whole valve. Usually you can just replace this little $5 part and solve your problems. So what you do, this is new, so I don't really need to change it, but I'll change it. So you just take the new valve seat float and you just press it back on to the piston, and that's it. That should stop your Prochem water box from overflowing. And then to reinstall it, you just put the piston back in, you put the float arm back in, and you have to make sure that you get that notch into the piston. See there? Make sure you get that on there, or the whole thing's gonna fall apart. Then you line up the holes where the bolt goes. You put the nut back on, and then you just tighten this back down. It's a shoulder bolt, so you can't really tighten it too much. You just tighten it until it stops. And this is also a locking nut, so it'll be secure. You don't have to go crazy tightening it up. It'll kind of stop on its own. So that's it. So when the float is down, that's allowing water from your water supply into the water box through this hole. And as the water level rises in the box, the float lifts up the float arm, and it pushes that black seat that we replaced up against the inside of the valve body, and that stops your water flow. So that's it. I hope that helps you guys. Again, it's a common problem we see on a lot of Prochems. So hope that helps you out. And if you need any help with parts or advice, just give us a call at 505-872-9702, or give me a call, Chris, send me an email at chris@arsupplyco.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.